Hey designers, in this tutorial, we're going to create another UI design with prototyping. It's going to be beginner-friendly, with step-by-step instructions, so let's dive in. Start by creating a new file, then we need to add a frame. Click on the frame icon, and select the 1280 by 720 size from the desktop. OK, now you can zoom in and out by pressing Ctrl and scrolling your mouse wheel. To move the frame, press the spacebar and use your mouse. Next, let's create a circle. Go to the icon, select the ellipse tool, and draw a circle. I'll draw a circle that's larger than the frame, so let's increase the size a bit more. OK, I think this size is good. Then move the circle out of this frame like this. Now you're going to give it a fill. Basically, we are going to apply a gradient. So click here, select gradient, then choose radial gradient. Here, you're going to select the color. I will choose this pinkish shade here, and let's select the gradient of your choice. Then, I will give it a light pink. The first flavor would be strawberry, so I'm going to apply a pink and white gradient. Now duplicate this circle by pressing Alt-Command on your keyboard and click and drag your mouse down. Like this. Now let's make another duplicate of it like this. Now let's change the gradient color. The second ice cream flavor will be chocolate, so I'm going to select a very light brown shade and the other color would be white for the gradient. This is how you reverse the colors by clicking on this icon. OK, I think this gradient looks good here. Now select the other circle. And since the last ice cream flavor will be vanilla, for vanilla I think I'm going to select a bluish color, a light blue color like this, and the other will be white. Yes, it looks good now. OK, after all of this is done, let's rename the layers. The first is strawberry, so name it strawberry. The second is chocolate, so name it chocolate. The third is vanilla, so name it vanilla. Good. After that, select all the circles now and align them horizontally and vertically. They will come on top of each other like this. Now we want the strawberry on top, so manually move the strawberry layer to the top. The second will be chocolate chip, so make the chocolate chip layer the second. Like this, and the last is vanilla. Good. Now select these circles and move them inside the frame like this. Let's zoom in. Now select the strawberry and vanilla layer. Their sizes are 15:24, so make them 1 for now. It has become like a small dot. Let's move it and make it come here in the top center like this. We're going to enlarge it later. You just have to follow the process. Now click on this shape icon and select the rectangle tool. Make a rectangle here and after that align it. Then go to Fill. We need to have an image here, so go to Fill. And here select this image and then go to Choose Image. And here choose the first layer, which is strawberry, and open it. OK. By pressing Alt-Command on your keyboard, move it so that it becomes properly visible on the screen. Then close it. I'll adjust its alignment and its position like this. I think it looks good now. After that, move this ice cream outside the frame, like this. Then make a duplicate of this ice cream by pressing Alt-CMD on your keyboard and dragging it downward with the help of the mouse. Make a duplicate of it again. Make the two duplicated layers smaller, like this, and adjust the spacing in between them. Make the other one smaller as well. Okay, we will now put different images here, flavors of ice cream. The second would be chocolate, and the third would be vanilla. So go to Fill, choose Image, and for the second, choose Chocolate, then Open. And for the last one, go to Fill, choose Image, and select the vanilla ice cream. Okay, now select all of the ice creams. Right-click and select Auto Layout. Add Auto Layout, or you can also press Shift-A on your keyboard. Now rename this layer to Auto Layout. Auto Layout helps us in arranging this. For example, if I want to increase the size of this ice cream, the others will follow along, and if I want to change the distance in between them, the other ice creams will follow along, so it is way more organized. Select these ice creams again and right-click, then select Frame Selection, and name this frame Ice Cream. After that, move these ice creams inside the frame. Highlight it and increase the size of this text. Now I want the text to be all caps. So for that, go to Type Settings, and here click on this icon. It will make all the text capitalized. Now let's see what font we should use. I think this Jokey one or this Jamhuriya text looks good. Let's increase the size of it a bit. Yes, after this, make the color of the text white. Then adjust the ice cream. Make it come on top of it. After that, select this text and move it outside the frame like this. Now make two duplicates of it by pressing Alt-Command on your keyboard and moving it downwards, and then again Alt-Command on your keyboard and moving it downwards. Change the second text to chocolate chip, and the last text to be vanilla. Adjust the paragraph spacing and then alignment. Let's decrease the size of this text a bit. I think it looks good. Then move the strawberry text on the frame like this, and then select the other two text and align them horizontally and then vertically. They will come on top of each other. Then move these two texts on top of strawberry text like this. Then, as we did with the two circles, we will apply the same thing to it. Select the vanilla and the chocolate chip text, make their size 1. Here, we need to lower the opacity of both of them too. So go to Fill, and by pressing Alt-Command on your keyboard, swipe to the left side to decrease the opacity of it, making it 0. Then select them. This is the dot of these layers. Move them to the top center like this. Now, we need to add a few strawberry pictures here. So, make a rectangle here. Then again, go to Fill, go to Image, choose Image, and select the strawberry image. Open it and then adjust its position. Make duplicates of it and place them here. Do it the way you like it, make a number of copies of them. I want to apply layer blur to it, so go to Effects, change it from Drop Shadow to Layer Blur. OK, now I'm going to fast forward a bit until I adjust the strawberry to it. Once it is done, then you need to duplicate this frame by clicking on this frame where it is written TV1 and then press Alt-Command on your keyboard and move it downward. OK, like this. Now, we need to change it from vanilla to chocolate, so select it and move it upwards. Make the chocolate layer size bigger, like this, and move it, adjust its position. Now, make the size of the vanilla smaller, like this. Now again, adjust the position of the chocolate chip ice cream. After this, select the strawberry text layer and make its fill opacity 0. Now, in the TV2 frame, in the second frame, search where the chocolate chip text is. Here it is, select it, make its opacity 100%, and make its size 279, and move it downwards like this. Now, select the chocolate chip circle layer, make its width and height 1524, and align it. It's not visible because it's below the strawberry layer, so make it come on top of the strawberry layer like this. OK. Once the background color is changed, select all the strawberry layers, and go to Image, Fill Image, choose Image, and select the chocolate bars, and OK. Close it now. Select this one, and here I want to have a chocolate chip. So select it, go to Image, choose Image, and here select the chocolate chip. OK. Like this, and let's adjust it, make duplicates of it, and adjust their positions as well. Now, once the props are done, make a duplicate of this frame as well by pressing Alt-Command on your keyboard and dragging it downwards. OK, now select this chocolate chip text layer, make its fill opacity 0, and here we need to search the vanilla text. There it is, select it, make its fill opacity 100%, and make its size 279. Align this text like this. Now find the vanilla circle layer, go to width and height, and make it 15 by 24, and Make this layer come on top of the chocolate layer like this. OK. Once it is done, move the chocolate chip ice cream flavor upwards, and make the vanilla ice cream come on top of the vanilla text. Then adjust its size, make it bigger, and place it on top of the vanilla text like this. The size of the chocolate chip ice cream smaller. Now select the props and change. Just select the chocolate bars first, and choose Fill, choose Image, and select this caramel, open. OK. Now select these chocolate chip images. Go to Fill Image, choose Image, and select this caramel image. OK, like this. Adjust their positions under here. After adjusting their positions, let's give this vanilla text a drop shadow. Go to Effects and give it a drop shadow. Like this. Let's make its size bigger. OK. Adjust its position now. So now that we are done with the design, now we will prototype it. For that, go to the Prototype option next to Design. Now click on this plus icon and move it to the chocolate chip layer. OK, here change it from on click to on drag. Make this navigate to. Make it push. Check on animate matching layers. And then click this upward arrow key. OK, again do the same thing with this chocolate chip frame. Move its plus icon to the bottom vanilla. Change it from on click to on drag. The other options are fine. Make it push. Check on animate matching layers. And upward key. OK, now select the vanilla layer. Click on this plus icon. Move it on top. And here change it to on drag. Change the arrow key to the downward arrow key. Do the same with this chocolate chip. Move it to the vanilla frame. Change it from on click to on drag. The other options are fine. After this, go to this preview option here and let's see on dragging it downwards the ice cream flavors that are downwards are coming. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment on this video and support me by subscribing to my channel.